Hello, I'm Queen Natasha of the Indonesia channel in Jakarta, and this is your TIC News Break on the hour, every hour. Here's what's happening in Indonesia.
Papua New Guinea Prime Minister James Marape met with President Joko Widodo on Thursday to discuss ways to further deepen bilateral trade ties between the two countries. The leaders set their sights on increasing the current bilateral trade volume, which managed to book a strong growth despite the pandemic. Widodo said Indonesia-Papua New Guinea trade volume jumped 87% in the COVID-stricken 2021 compared to the previous year, and even higher than the pre-pandemic levels. He also called for a bilateral investment agreement to facilitate and protect investors of both countries. Jokowi and Marape also had talks on improving air, land, and sea connectivity between the two countries. GoTo Group, Indonesia's biggest tech firm, plans to raise $1.1 billion in an initial public offering, pricing the deal in the top half of its indicative range and making it one of Asia's biggest IPOs so far this year. GoTo, formed last year by the merger of ride-hailing to payments from Gojek and e-commerce leader Tokopedia, surprised investors and analysts when it launched its IPO process in March, braving turbulence in global equity markets. GoTo's offering attracted strong institutional demand in the book-building process despite a weak investor appetite for tech stocks. The company is backed by the likes of SoftBank Group Corp, Alibaba Group, and Singapore Sovereign Wealth Fund GIC. GoTo priced its IPO at 338 rupiah per share, representing a projected market value of about $28 billion, which would make it the country's fourth most valuable listed company. The company received enough investor orders for its IPO to raise at least $1.1 billion within its targeted price band.
In the financial markets, here's how stocks and the currency opened in Jakarta and around the region. Hot days followed by evening showers are predicted in most parts of the archipelago. Here's the complete weather forecast. And that's what's happening in Indonesia. I'm Queen Natasha with your TIC News Break.